Lesson 11, at the airport.
Hello. Can I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Where are you going?
I'm going to London.
What time is your flight?
At 5:30 p.m.
Okay. You can check in now. Do you have a bag?
Yes, one suitcase.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Where is gate 12?
Go straight and turn right. It's near the coffee shop.
Great. Thanks.
Have a good flight.
Thank you. Can I take my backpack?
Yes, you can take it with you.
Do I take off my shoes?
Yes, please take off your shoes.
Where is the toilet?
It's on the left.
Can I buy food inside?
Yes, there are shops and food inside.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it's on time.
Can I sit by the window?
Yes, I will give you a window seat.
I'm scared to fly.
It's okay. Flying is very safe.
When do I board the plane?
Boarding starts at 5 p.m.
Can I use my phone on the plane?
Yes, but only in airplane mode.
Okay. Thank you.